Hi, I'm Cam and I'm one of the PR strategists here at Reactive 3, and today I'm going to be talking about C3's always-on, three-pronged approach for digital PR and how it works for iGaming and sports clients. So what do I mean by three-pronged approach? Well, here at C3 we look at PR in three separate ways, and that is planned campaigns, proactive campaigns and reactive campaigns. So starting off with a planned campaign, these are the big campaigns, these are the big link builders, this is what we spend a lot of time doing here at C3. These consist of big data sets, content, design assets, everything that we send over to clients and put on site on their side that we outreach to in the hope for backlinks. Then we have proactive campaigns. These are far quicker, far more flexible, far more agile. We can work with data that's changing quite quickly as there's no on-site assets that we need to amend on the way forward. So these campaigns can be really, really quick and they fit with planned campaigns really, really well. And finally, we have reactive, which is pretty much what it says on the tin. If something's going on in the news, we'll jump on it as quick as possible, newsjacket if you like. We'll put together an expert comment, send that out to journalists and hope for a backlink to the client that we're working on. So how does this relate to sports and iGaming clients? Well, for planned, sport is going on all the time, all around the world. There is specific dates for every single event, such as the Super Bowl, March Madness. They've essentially got a roadmap there ready for you, so you can plan your campaign ideas around this. It gives you time to collect good data sets, whether that's through surveys or just sort of your own primary or secondary research, and also put together some really compelling content and some really nice looking designs. So planned campaigns are fantastic, but they're not very agile and they're not flexible like proactive campaigns. In the sporting world, something's always going on, things are changing. Recently, we wanted to do a campaign on how each NFL coach was perceived during the season, and we wanted to do that halfway through. With a planned campaign, this would require on-site assets, content and design, which would have been outdated the next week. So instead of doing that, we did a proactive, which we could update the data with as we went. When the next week went on, we then updated the data to follow it. So every single week during the NFL season, we had a new piece of content that we could push out to journalists and publications. And then the final section is reactive. So in the sporting world, there's something always going on, whether that's someone retiring, injuries, odds, someone getting fired. And this provides a fantastic opportunity to jump on a sort of news jacket or expert comments. Because our clients are so credible, expert comments are always well received and pushed through the media very well. So individually, planned, proactive and reactive are fantastic ways of building links. But when put together, it builds a fantastic recipe for results and hitting KPIs, and always having that always-on approach, which I mentioned at the start. Here at C3, we never sort of hit target and just stop. We want to keep going, we want to keep pushing, and incorporating planned, proactive and reactive all together is a fantastic way to always succeed and build the most amount of links we possibly can. Planned, as we know, can sometimes be a little bit hit and miss, and when this happens, you have proactives and reactives in the background to help bolster those links and keep pushing you up so the KPIs are hit and the client's left happy. So for more information on everything digital PR and how our always-on approach can work for you, visit the Connective 3 website at connective3.com.